Decomposing body of medical doctor found in Westmoreland apartment. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Westmoreland Police Division is investigating the murder of a 57-year-old medical doctor, Ong Neng, whose decomposing body was found at his apartment on Sunday. Commanding Officer of the Westmoreland Division, Superintendent of Police Othniel Dobson, said that the Burmese-born medical professional was last seen 2 weeks prior to the discovery of his body. He was found after residents reportedly smelling a foul odor emanating from his apartment. The police, with the assistance of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, gained entry to the apartment where the decomposed body with multiple stab wounds was found, Dobson said. Adding that there were no signs of forced entry or burglary, Superintendent Dobson said that the investigation are ongoing. The police are seeking the public's assistance to solve the case.
Well, I'm Radcliffe Harris from London. I live in London for 30 years. And since we met that man there, as a doctor, I'm telling you, if anywhere in there work, I'm going to go there, not charge me no money. You understand? He take care of me. You understand? So when you have no job or job brought down, you always check me if you can all the mobile and all them things there, So me I move. You understand?
The discovery of the body of the medical doctor with stab wounds at his home in the normally quiet community of Landilo Phase 1 housing scheme has left residents shocked and puzzled, given their knowledge of him as an introvert. 57-year-old Ong Neng was found naked in his home Sunday with stab wounds to his chest and neck. A highly placed source told reporters that there was a lot of blood in the house and that the Jamaica Constabulary Force has theorized that this could be a crime of passion as the house was locked up. The doctor was said to be married and had a son with his wife, but she does not live in the community. Dr. Neng, who is from Myanmar, had been living in Jamaica since 1997. He first started working at the Kingston Public Hospital in Kingston, Jamaica, before moving to Sablamar Public General Hospital in Westmoreland. However, he was transferred to the Noel Home Hospital in Hanover after what was said to be a misunderstanding between him and a patient. He later worked at a private doctor's office in Savlamar. However, we was told that he was not working there at the time of his death. A resident who spoke to reporters said that the doctor was a man that was feisty and had no behavior, to the point where he doesn't really keep friends. It was also noticed at the house that the doctor's Toyota Axio motor car was also missing from the compound. A neighbor who also spoke to reporters said that he last saw the doctor 2 weeks ago and said that nothing looked unusual at the house from the outside. However, the place was highly vegetated. He said that the doctor lived alone and would be inside the house without anyone knowing. According to a neighbor, on Sunday, a man was on his way to the neighbor's house, raised an alarm after seeing a swarm of flies at the window and vultures, also known as drunkard, circling around the area. The police were called, and after which firefighters were summoned to remove the locks from the house. Meanwhile, the police source said that they are following leads and looking at different angles, checking with family members to find out if he had other persons visiting him. The Westmoreland police are appealing with anyone with information that may assist in the investigation to contact the nearest police station or Crime Stop at 311. All information provided will be treated to the utmost confidentiality, he stated. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.